Today we're making potato chips. Crispy, golden, and shockingly easy. Start with the potato and slice it as thin as you can, depending on how thick you want the chips.
But the pretty ones can go on top.
Next, you want to soak the slices in cold water for 15 to 30 minutes. This helps get rid of the starch, so your chips crisp. In a pot, put some neutral oil, like canola or vegetable, and heat it to medium.
Almost all of it.
Like that?
Take your potatoes out of the water and pat them dry. Start frying the chips in small batches. Don't crowd the pot or you'll get soggy chips.
Hey, acting up, pushing in the oil.
Oh,
When the chips are golden and the bubbles slow down, pull them out. And that's it, homemade potato chips.